I've always been one to rely on old books. I'm sure there's something here that's got to be useful. Aha. Let's see what they thought about model railways in 1924. Ah, now this could be interesting. A later book shows that 2.5-inch gauge is recommended as the smallest for locomotive boilers and coal firing. Now that was a rarity. Curly Lawrence, you can see here, was one of the first proponents of coal-fired fire tube boilers in smaller scales. In fact, he threw down the gauntlet in Model Engineer in 1922 about building a Brighton Atlantic in half-inch scale with a fire tube boiler. This is his actual model. It's in the custodianship of the National 2.5-inch Gauge Association, and I just think it looks fantastic. Now, as luck would have it, I have photographs of a Brighton Atlantic taken from the end of my street that I live on. I have this amazing book by Jeremy English, and the design by LBSC has been revived in the 20th century by the National 2.5-inch Gauge Association. But this is all basically academic, right? I mean, it's not like I specifically ordered the materials for the Atlantic. It could be for anything, right? This is all just pure coincidence, I assure you.